clear. Primer's locked, master's on, bags on both. Car beats in, mixture's rich, flaps are down.
My hands and feet are clear.
You. Slight crosswind from the right. Feet are clear.
Golf, Zulu Golf, taxi into the hole 24.
Airspeed's alive.
Golf Uniform November, crossing 24.
So you mean about being a bit bumpy?
Yeah, always is down here, isn't it?
Copy, direct fare changing to East Midlands 134, decimal 175.
Yep. There's a GoPro.
I have it, shall I put it in the back?
Yeah, just turn it off. Press top button, stop it recording.
I think that's it.
Ooh.
Cracking viz.
Nice, isn't it? I was panicking this morning, they might get called off.
Yeah, it was really awful this morning, wasn't it?
Lining up 24, departing to the south.
Very much.
Golf India X-ray, it is a basic service and continue southbound, remain outside controlled airspace for the moment.
A basic service at first.
Transit.
Copy that, Golf India X-ray.
East Midlands, good afternoon. It's Golf Papa Hotel Oscar Romeo.
Golf Oscar Romeo, pass your message.
Good afternoon. Golf Oscar Romeo is a Cessna 150 Netherthorpe to Leicester. We'd like to route, if possible, please, via the Echo Mike Echo. Just a basic service for now, though, please, on the East Midlands QNH of 10 negative. We don't have the QNH, sorry, and Golf Oscar Romeo.
Golf Oscar Romeo, the QNH 1009, basic service, squawk 4552.
The QNH of 1009, squawk 4552, Golf Oscar Romeo.
Golf Oscar Romeo, say again your altitude.
We are level at 2,300 feet, Golf Oscar Romeo.
Golf Oscar Romeo, roger, remain outside controlled airspace for the moment, continue southbound and report approaching the control area boundary.
Wilco, Golf Oscar Romeo.
Golf Oscar Romeo, there is traffic just to the west of you by 1 mile, has been manoeuvring, no height or type.
Copy the traffic, Golf Oscar Romeo.
Golf Oscar Romeo, it's still just a basic service.
Got him up there. You want to just keep his on the wing strut, you want to turn left?
Yeah, we've got the traffic in sight and basic service, Golf Oscar Romeo.
Sorry mate, just another wingtip there.
Him?
Yeah, he's on a westerly heading, so you're alright there. Caught us off guard that, didn't it? We were just expecting a nice talk back.
Good evening, November 61970 for a traffic service and then transit.
Station calling, your readability 3, say again your call sign.
November 61970.
I haven't got visual on it.
November 970 East Midlands, pass your details.
November 61970, we're on PA24 from Netherthorpe to Leicester, currently 3 miles south of Netherthorpe at 1,700 feet. Request a basic service outside and a zone transit direct track Leicester, please.
November 970, roger, continue southbound towards the zone boundary, the QNH 1009 and squawk 4553.
1009 and squawk 4553 for November 61970.
November 970, initially remain outside controlled airspace. You can continue southbound, report approaching the control airspace boundary.
You have for me to put Leicester in on that?
Yep.
Cross, yes, November 970.
Eastern's radar, good evening, Golf Bravo, Golf India, request a basic service.
Golf India, pass your details.
Golf India is a PA38 Gloucester to Nottingham. We're currently 2 miles northeast of Rugby, 2,900 feet on the QNH of 1011, request a basic service.
Golf India, it's basic service. The QNH is 1009, squawk 4571. Say again your altitude.
1009, now squawking 4571, basic service. We're currently 2,900 feet on 1009.
Golf India, roger. Remain outside controlled airspace.
Remain outside controlled airspace, Golf India.
East Midlands radar, Golf Bravo India Zulu Golf.
Golf Bravo India Zulu Golf, East Midlands, pass your message.
It's Golf Bravo India Zulu Golf, Netherthorpe to Leicester, Cessna 150, requesting basic service and zone transit.
Golf Zulu Golf, it's a basic service, the QNH 1009.
QNH 1009, Golf Zulu Golf.
Golf Zulu Golf, say again your level.
I'm currently at 2,000 feet, Golf Zero Golf.
Golf Zulu Golf, roger, squawk 4554.
Squawk 4554.
If the guy in East Mids wanted a quiet evening, that's gone to cock, hasn't it?
It has, yeah, just upset him out with a...
East Midlands radar, Golf Charlie India, India Romeo, request basic service and zone transit, please.
Golf Charlie India, India Romeo, East Midlands, pass your details.
Golf Charlie India, India Romeo, Cessna 150, 2 POB on board. We're routing from
Lovely
Gatton
evening,
to Leicester.
Isn't it?
Currently at 4,000 feet on 1009. Request basic service and zone transit, please.
Golf India Romeo, roger, it's a basic service. The QNH is 1009, squawk 4555.
1009, squawking 4555. Golf India Romeo.
Golf India Romeo, report your level.
4,000 feet on 1009.
Golf India Romeo, roger.
Number 970 is approaching the zone boundary, request transit.
Jesus Christ.
How the hell have they got there?
November 970 is cleared to transit, not above
I get on to him after this.
3,000 feet. QNH.
Well, right, it's 4,000 foot there, 2.5 there, so we're not going to bust it.
Yeah.
Clear to cross, not above 3,000 feet on 1009
Oh, he's there.
and November 970.
Got him. Just where you were.
Romeo is cleared to transit, not above altitude 3,000 feet. QNH 1009.
Clear to transit, not above 3,000 feet, QNH of 1009. And just to confirm, we are clear to head direct to the Echo Mike Echo, Golf Oscar Romeo.
We'll go direct across if we can. Don't worry about it.
Golf Oscar Romeo, A firm, report Echo Mike Echo.
And Golf Oscar Romeo, Wilco.
Yeah, I saw him over there, yeah.
Just racing fuel away.
Golf India Romeo is cleared to transit, not above altitude 4,000 feet VFR, QNH 1009.
Not above 4,000 feet, 1009, Golf India Romeo.
I'm just going to ask direct, be quicker than Echo Mike Echo.
If you want to, yeah.
East Midlands, Golf Oscar Romeo.
Golf Oscar Romeo, pass your message.
Yeah, if possible, can we just direct track to Leicester rather than going by the Echo Mike Echo, if possible, please? Golf Oscar Romeo.
Golf Oscar Romeo, that's approved.
Thank you very much, Golf Oscar Romeo.
He was almost happy to hear us saying that, wasn't he?
Takes us nearer to the runway, don't it, if we Echo Mike Echo?
Exactly.
But normally if they're busy, they prefer us to do that.
Yeah, because it's...
Golf Zulu Golf is cleared to transit, not above altitude 2,000 feet, VFR QNH 1009.
There's Golf Zulu Golf, cleared to transit, not above 2,000 feet, QNH 1009.
Golf Oscar Romeo, do you have mode Charlie?
Affirm, Golf Oscar Romeo.
Golf Oscar Romeo, Roger, Squawk Charlie.
Squawking mode Charlie, Golf Oscar Romeo.
Golf Zulu Golf, do you have mode Charlie?
Must not turn on automatically.
No. It's Golf Zulu Golf.
Golf Zulu Golf, Roger.
But it's on, isn't it?
It is now, yeah.
On a 07 traffic, I know it's a basic service, but there is traffic, 12 o'clock, opposite direction, range mile and a half, similar altitude.
Roger, looking for the traffic, and could we upgrade to a traffic service now? We're going to be turning right about Mansfield area.
And on Air 07, it'll be a traffic service with reduced traffic information. You're going to be close to the base of solid radar cover.
Reduced traffic service, that's copied on Air 07. Off November Delta has the traffic in sight.
Off November Delta, Roger.
The turn over here a bit, so we're not over the middle of Nottingham now. We've got that track.
Yeah.
So we've got more options.
Works for me.
High enough to clear Nottingham. Aerodrome. Ooh.
Come out of nowhere, didn't it? What's the forecast?
Good evening, Golf Bravo Juliet X.
What's the forecast for tomorrow? Weather? Is it?
I've got loads.
Station calling standby break. Golf Oscar Romeo, just entering controlled airspace, radar control service.
Radar control service, Golf Oscar Romeo.
Station calling, say again.
East Midlands, just Golf Bravo Juliet X. Zulu Cessna 172 en route from Husbands, Bosworth back to Derby. Currently at fronting north at 2,000 feet, 1009.
Golf Bravo Juliet X-ray Zulu, Roger, just say again your, just stand by, I'll call you back.
Thinking about something else, isn't it?
Yeah. Probably all of us coming through at the same time, it's stressing him out.
Well, it knocks off at 6.
Yes.
Golf India request frequency change to Nottingham Radio 134, that's late 75.
Station calling, sorry, say again the call sign.
Roger, this Golf India request frequency change to Nottingham Radio 134, decimal 875. Can I get the current surface wind at East Midlands as well, please?
Golf India, that's approved. Current surface wind is 240 degrees, 16 knots.
Thank you, good day.
And Golf India, Squawk 7000, bye-bye.
7,000, goodbye.
Golf X-ray Zulu, just say again your level, it's a basic service.
Visual.
Golf X-ray Zulu is level at 2,000 feet, 1009.
Well, that's him.
Golf X-ray Zulu, Roger, Squawk 4571.
4571, Golf X-ray Zulu will be with you shortly. November Delta changing to Derby 118.350.
It's a basic service, nothing known to affect you. Squawk 7000 suggests you QSY to Leicester Radio 122.125.
7000 and pre-call Leicester 122.175. Thank you very much for the service. November 970.
There already.
Decimal 175.
November Delta changing to Derby.
Yeah. He said 125.
Bye-bye.
The controller didn't, what Jake said.
Basically, you're just second guessing, you're like, oh. Once we call Leicester, if you want to take radio again, and you know what you're doing, where you're at with circuit-wise.
No worries.
Nice view of East Mids.
Yeah. You just operate out of Leeds?
Yes, yeah. Thing is, this time of night, it's all quiet for anybody. They're all, all the major traffic's gone. But the thing is, you can be sent anywhere within the programme, really, so...
Right.
East Mids, Manchester, Stansted, Birmingham.
Yeah. You doing layovers or is it all there and back?
It's all there and back. In the winter, the crew that do the New Yorks, they get the layovers.
Yeah.
We're all ETOPS trained in the sense we can all do it, but we haven't got a visa to do.
Yeah.
It's only the crew that have got visas.
Right.
So I haven't been networking as good as what I can do to get that visa yet.
Can I say, is it like seniority based that? I bet it's a good...
Yeah, it goes on experience as much as, you know, as much as what you can do, because it's all experienced crew that are doing it.
How long have you been doing it now?
It's third year.
Right.
I know, it only seems like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Ready for winter flying, doing one flight a week.
Is that all it is?
It's usually a Canary flight.
Yeah.
Or Wednesday's really good, it's just an Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Amsterdam and back, done.
It's only an hour, isn't it, that?
Yeah. 50 minutes each way, an hour on ground each side.
East Midlands radar, Golf Charlie India Romeo, changing to Leicester, 122.12, if that's okay.
Golf India Romeo, squawk 7000, approved, bye-bye.
Squawking 7000 and descending, bye-bye.
There is traffic right over there, it's very far away. I want to say at your 11 o'clock, have you got him? Not the easiest to see, but over there.
You just keep riding him then, if you will.
Yeah. By the looks of things, he's going same direction as us. Still visual with him.
Golf Oscar Romeo, squawk 7000, free call Leicester Radio 122.125, bye-bye.
And Golf Oscar Romeo 122.125 and squawking 7000. Many thanks for the service, Golf Oscar Romeo.
Your radios, mate. Right, Matt is there. Someone in front of us, so I would suggest to turn to the left.
And to descend downwind 22, Golf India Romeo. Golf India Romeo,
I don't know if it's one of ours.
No, he's getting close to us, I think.
Yeah, I think as well. I am visual, he's probably at my 1 o'clock.
Yeah, you'll just keep watching him.
Roger.
Must have seen us now, flash my wings at him. Could pass behind us.
Roger, Cessna indicating 270 degrees 10 knots, source of variable between 28 and 22. Copy,
What are you doing, Luke?
It's hard to tell really, he's still within the same vision of mine.
Yeah.
If anything, I'd say he's going slightly away in that direction. Lots of separation at the minute, so that's not a...
There, I've got him, visuals right.
Yeah, he's over there. Almost tempted to say helicopter.
Yeah.
The way he's not seem to be moving.
I'll head back that way and just keep him not bang in front of us.
Golf India Romeo, overhead 22, and we'll be descending downwind 22.
2-2 now.
Golf India Romeo, Roger, thank you.
Is there.
Visual.
Golf India X-ray, dead side descending.
That might be them.
22.
Yeah, it could be actually.
Golf India X-ray, Roger, thank you.
Changes now.
Leicester Radio, good afternoon. Golf Papa Hotel, Oscar Romeo, inbound from the north. About 5 miles to run to your ATC. Request airfield information, please.
Golf Papa Hotel, Oscar Romeo, right active runway 22 with a left-hand circuit, 4 fixed wing, QFE 992 hectopascal.
Runway 22 in use for the left-hand circuit, QFE 992 hectopascals, and we'll plan to join overhead. Golf Oscar Romeo.
Put your QFE in, mate. 992.
Golf India Romeo, downwind 22.
Runway vacated 970.
I haven't got that traffic.
No, I've no idea where it is. The airfield's banging our nose there. I don't really want to be here because we're the final approach path to 2-2 now. Apparently.
My concern now is we're going to get in the way of everybody else inbound.
No, they're well behind us.
Any particular place like Leicester Park, 970? 970, parking is available to the rear of the tower. If you can find a hard stand, that would be brilliant.
Golf India Romeo, final 2-2.
Roger, surface wind indicating 240 degrees 8 knots.
Golf Oscar Romeo, dead side, descended 2-2 left hand.
Go down 1,200 feet, is there?
Golf India X-ray, downwind 2-2.
Golf India X-ray, Roger, thank you.
Oh, I don't know which runway it is, 2-2.
Well, they're saying it's bang on the nose, isn't it? Mate, that crackled's awful. Do you mind if I turn it down a bit?
Oh, yeah, please. Yeah, fine.
Right, so there's traffic down there.
Yeah.
We got him.
That's 2-2 then, he's going to land, yeah, straight on his nose. Left-hand circuit, that's fine then. So I need to descend here where I am now, cross at the end of the runway, 1,200 feet, circuit in.
People are looking out for any other traffic.
Golf India Romeo, vacated 2-2.
Golf India Romeo, Roger, thank you.
Golf India X-ray, final 2-2.
Golf India X-ray, Roger, surface wind 240 degrees 12 knots.
There's India X-ray. We got him.
Yep.
Well, it's going to affect us, but...
Golf Oscar Romeo, now just crosswind 2-2.
Zulu Golf, I'm currently 5.4 nautical miles north, requesting airfield information.
Roger, right, from a 2-2 left-hand circuit for fixed wing. QFE is 992, head back out.
QFE 992, runway 22 left hand. Golf Zulu Golf.
You're going to place, I don't know where they are. I don't know how far you need to go out for circuit or what.
Golf Bravo, Oscar Bravo Victor, requesting radio check and downfield mate.
Golf Bravo, Oscar Bravo Victor, you've viewability 5 for active runway 22, the left-hand circuit for fixed wing. QFE
Yeah, it's one of them, isn't it?
2 hectopascal, QNH 1.
We're outside this village here, I think.
That's 2-2 left hand, QFE 992, QNH 1009, Golf Bravo Victor. Leicester Radio, this is Golf Bravo Hotel Echo November, ready for departure, runway 22.
Golf Echo November, Roger, the surface wind is indicating 240 degrees 7 knots.
Golf India X-ray, runway 22 vacated.
Golf India X-ray, Roger, thank you.
Golf Oscar Romeo's downwind 2-2.
Golf Oscar Romeo, Roger, thank you.
The brakes off. Launch coach down, mixture is rich, prop is fine, fuel is sufficient. Flaps you don't need yet. Instrument gauges look good.
Papa Hotel Uniform November.
Carbie check, how's nice and secure?
I am secure, mate, tight and secure.
Papa Hotel Uniform November, Roger, reactive from a 22 left-hand circuit for fixed wing, QFE 909 hectopascal.
Left-hand circuit, runway and use 22. Can you give me the QFE again, please?
Roger, it's QFE 909 hectopascal.
QFE 909, Golf Uniform November. Leicester Radio, Golf Bravo, India Tango Echo, TV10 inbound from the north, currently 1500 feet, 5 miles to run. We have runway 22 and 992 hectopascal.
I'll give you that, pal. Yeah.
Roger, thanks very much.
We'll join overhead.
Approach looks clear from my side, mate.
Thank you. Leicester Radio, where would you like India X-ray to park?
Golf India X-ray parking is available to the rear of the tower. If you could try and find a hard stand, that'd be brilliant. Not too sure how many more there are.
Golf Oscar Romeo's final, 2-2.
Golf Oscar Romeo, Roger, surface wind, southerly 8 knots.
Traffic above us there, mate, but I don't think they're going to converge with us.
Thank you.
Golf Echo November, downwind for runway 22.
Golf Echo November, Roger, thank you.
We'll get some bumps over these trees.
Yeah, I was just thinking that myself. Yeah.
There's Golf Zulu 2-2.
Golf Zulu, Golf Roger, thank you.
Golf Uniform in the overhead, descending dead side.
Quite sporty that final, wasn't it?
November,
Yeah.
Roger, thank you.
Golf Tango Echo, descending dead side, 1,500 feet.
I don't feel like that wind represents what's happening.
Contact 1 ahead.
Open that iPad up, it should give us taxi instructions. Okay. Golf Oscar Romeo, where do we taxi to, please?
Golf Oscar Romeo, parking is available to the rear of the tower. Any of the hard stands available, I'm not too sure how many are left.
Now, Roger, and runway 22 is vacated, we're taxiing down runway 33. Zoom right into it. Yep. Good.